Cartesian coordinate system. Cartesian coordinate system. First, we need to draw a horizontal line, name it as x dash and x. And now draw a vertical line and name it as y dash and y. Up to now we have seen only one side of y-axis and another side of x-axis. Now we are going to see about total plane. Now start writing the numbers one side of the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And another side of the y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. And coming to the left side of the x-axis is known as x dash. We need to start write the negative numbers, and the reference of the 0 is also called as origin. And we need to start write the negative numbers left side of the x-axis. It is known as x dash, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. And another side of the y-axis -1, -2, -3, -4. And now let's take a random numbers to give identity for them. So let's make a point P, and these all are in the same in way. The numbers are all in same in way. And now take a random numbers to give the identity for them. So let's take the point P and let's take 3 and 2. So the distance away from the horizontal line is 3 and the distance away from the vertical line is 2. So let's join the 3 and 2. So first we need to write x value and next we need to write y value. But in maths we don't see these as identities. These are called as coordinate points, and these are also known as ordered pairs. And first of all, we should not write 2 and 3. That is the wrong way of writing. X means these are the coordinates of point P, and these are also known as ordered pairs. If 2 and 3 are there, those are not as ordered pairs. 3 and 2 is only correct. If 2 and 3 is there, the other point on the screen will be like that. So first of all, we need to write only the x-axis value, and next we need to write the y-axis value. And x-axis is also known as abscissa and y-axis is also known as ordinate. This is all known as the Cartesian coordinate system. Thank you.
Yes, good Nana, very well done. Thank you very much. Shall we clap our hands for that girl? Can everyone do it? She has done a lot of preparation. Yes, thank you. Next we have one more presenter today for seminar. One more presenter today for seminar. Are you ready, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's welcome our Sukruta. Let's welcome her. She is our second presenter for seminar today. Let's welcome our Sukruta. Yes, you can go ahead, Nana.
Yes, sir. So here, when we see the vertical line is known as y-axis and the horizontal line is known as x-axis. Next. These axes are used to recognize a point on a plane. That plane is known as a Cartesian plane. A Cartesian plane is divided into 4 parts or regions. So first one, this one, and next this is called and next this one. This is the, and these 4 are named with a particular manner. These 4 are known as quadrants. These four quadrants are named in a particular manner as. This is called the first quadrant. In this first quadrant, both x and y axes are positive. In the anti-clockwise direction, if we go, this one is known as second quadrant. In this quadrant, y-axis positive and x-axis negative. Next one, this is known as third quadrant. In this, both x and y axis are negative. Next one is fourth quadrant. In this, x-axis positive and y-axis negative. So now we'll point A here. So now this is in this second quadrant. Now let's take another point B. It lies in the first quadrant. Now if we take another point C, it lies in the third quadrant. Next we take a point D. It lies in the fourth quadrant. Now we saw the points are lying on every quadrant. Now here is the point E. It is middle of the first quadrant, second quadrant. So which one should we write in the both quadrants? So here a point E is lying on the y-axis. Next, if we take a point F, it is lying on the x-axis. So the points which we have written, they may lie on the any of the axis or any of the quadrants. Thank you.
Yes, good, Sukruta. You have done well. Let's appreciate her. Please put your hands together. This girl has done a lot of work to come prepared. Yes, like this, we encourage the remaining students also, those who are interested. Generally, I don't force any student. I don't force them because it depends on their interest. A student may not be interested in mathematics, but in other subject. So it is up to them. But those who are interested, I can really help them to do something which is out of the book. Yes, well done, Nana, Mokshita and Sukruta. Yes, I should thank you for your efforts. And please observe the screen, everyone. Please observe the screen, everyone. Yes, somebody said, I joined today only, somebody. I cannot take your name, you have joined today. Yes, welcome to Max class. Please be regular, attend the sessions. Okay, we welcome you. Next, everyone, please look at the screen, everyone. Everyone, please look at the screen. Is everyone ready? Let me see your faces. Is everyone ready? Everyone? Yes, I can see all of you ready. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, today you will have a wonderful surprise. Everyone will look at the screen. Otherwise, you will miss it. Otherwise, you will miss it. Please, will not take much time. Please look at the screen, everyone. Here, what do you see on the screen? We see today's surprise. Today's surprise. It will be a really surprise. Please look at the screen, everyone. I don't want anybody to miss. Please. I hope everyone is ready. Everyone. This is the surprise. Look at the screen, you will be amazed. Look at the screen, you will be amazed. Yes, I can give a chance to a boy or girl, somebody who is interested. What do you think of this picture? Is it machine made or man made? Anyone? Anyone? Yes, I'll give chance to one girl here. Speak, Nana.
Man-made, sir.
Man made. Okay. How do you know?
In graph, they draw that.
Okay. Everything is present in the graph. This girl says this is man made. Okay. But let me tell you, machines can also do. Okay. I'll give chance to another boy. Another boy, any person? Any person? What do you think of this? Is it machine made or man made? Anybody? Nobody? In boys, anyone? Can you see the screen first of all? If you can see the screen, you should speak. Anyone in boys? Nobody? Anyone in boys? No one? Is it man-made or machine-made? That's the question. Yes, I can give chance to this boy. Speak, Nana.
Sir, it's man-made only, sir.
How can you say? How
Sir,
can you?
it's we can observe pencil shading, sir.
Okay. This boy says pencil shading is there. Yes, sir. In the background, pencil shading is visible. It means this is done by human. This is done by human. Yes, I can also see x-axis and y-axis. This is man-made, purely man-made. Okay. Now we will introduce the person who has made it. You will be surprised. That person is one among you. You will be surprised. Look at the screen, everyone. If you know the person name, you will be surprised. Look at the screen. Can you all see? Everyone. Some people may know that person, some may not know. But shall we put our hands together once again? Can we clap our hands? This is really man-made, made by K. Sri Bala Likita of IBM branch. I should also clap my hands because you students are wonderful. As I approach that girl to make this, she made it. Okay, thank you Likita for your efforts. I'll give a chance to you. Can you speak one or two sentences on this? Your experience.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity.
Was it easy or difficult?
It is first I thought it is difficult, but after drawing, it is so easy.
It is so easy. Okay, then how many hours did you spend on it?
1.5 hour.
1.5 hour. Remaining participants, please listen. I'm repeating again. Just to draw a simple shape, a drawing on the graph, she took 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. I don't think any other person will have that patience. Because at the first go itself, many will not be ready. Many will think, Ammo, sir is giving work and I have to play games, I can't do. So thank you, Likita. Once again, you have spent your valuable time and you made it possible. Thank you very much, Nana.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
With your efforts only, I have done, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Once again.
Next, look at the screen, everyone. Once again, we need your attention, please. Everyone. Everyone. Everyone, please look at the screen. We have one more surprise for the day. One more surprise for the day. And I'll put one more question on that. Somebody will speak. Everyone, look at the screen. What do you see? Is it man-made or machine-made? Is it man-made or machine-made? Next question. What does this represent? What does it represent? Did you any time see it? Anyone? Is it machine-made or man-made? Did you see it anytime, anywhere? Anytime, anywhere. Any person? Any person? I want somebody to speak on this. Is it man-made or machine-made? Did you see this anywhere? Anybody? Is anyone interested? No person? If you like this picture, you should speak. Mistakes are also allowed. Any person? Yes, I can see one voice. Speak, Nana. Two questions. I need two answers.
Yes, sir, it is man-made, sir.
It is
Because
man-made.
it is Superman symbol.
It represents?
Superman symbol, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, it represents Superman symbol, it seems. Yes. But I am unable to see yes on the screen properly. But this boy has traced it out. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I'll give chance to one more girl. We'll see. We'll see. One more girl. What is their opinion on this? Is it machine-made or man-made? And what does it represent? Any girl, Nana? Same girl? No. Sorry, please. Any other girl? Oh, okay. Speak, ma'am.
Sir, it is Superman only, sir, and it is done by man-made.
Okay, it is man-made and it represents Superman logo. Superman logo. Do you want some more time to recognize it? Do you want some more time to recognize? We can clearly see alphabet yes. Alphabet yes. Now I'll present you the person who has done it. The person who has done it. Can anyone guess the person name? Can anyone guess the person name? I don't think it's possible. Okay, let me do my job. I will introduce you to the presenter of this graph. Look at the screen, everyone. His name is Mohammad Samir from Ramavarappadu branch. Mohammad Samir, Ramavarappadu branch. Shall we put our hands together for this boy? Please, please clap your hands, and I should also. When I approached this boy, he did not say, I will think. He did not say, I will think. He said, we will do. He said, we will do, and we'll see whether we can catch that boy now. If he is available, we will give him a chance to speak. This is purely man-made. This is purely man-made, but not machine-made. Are you there, Samir? Are you there, Samir? Can you send a text message? Samir? Are you there, Samir? Yes. 1 second. I will check you out. Did you turn on the video? Please turn on the video. Can you hear me? Yes. Did you unmute? Did you unmute, boy? Yes, speak, Nana.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity to do that, sir.
Okay. How much time did you spend?
1 hour, sir. I spent 1 hour for drawing this,
1
for
hour.
doing this.
Was it easy or tough?
Yes, sir.
Was it easy
At
or
first,
tough?
I did not know what is this also, sir.
Okay, super.
First, it is tough, I thought, sir, but after
Okay, when you started
that,
doing,
that is easy, sir.
it is easy. So I should really appreciate this boy
Yes,
also.
sir.
I should really appreciate this boy also, because when I approached this boy through a message, he said we will do, and he has done it better, much better than what I expected. So I should really appreciate this boy, and once again each and every person of this section, because you are very much cooperative, you are doing your work well, and with your cooperation I am doing things. Okay, thank you very much for this. And with this, my work for today's session has come to an end. With this, my work for today's session has come to an end. Let me give you HW. Everyone, please listen to me. Everyone, please listen to me. Today's HW will be, I hope everyone is listening. I hope everyone is listening. Today's HW will be area of triangle problem, area of triangle graph sum. Is it clear to everyone? Area of triangle graph sum. One time you should do. Area of triangle graph sum. One time you should do in graph book. Now you can open your graph books and you can start doing the graph sum. You can open graph books now. You can start the HW now itself. Please, everyone, open your graph books, everyone. Start doing it.